Are you ready to knock on your door of life? Then let's get started. So find your standing position, feet are planted firmly on the ground, parallel to each other, knees are slightly bent. You shift your tailbone downwards, rooting into the earth, and your neck is elongated in the back, so you also reach up high into the heavens. You open up vertebrae by vertebrae, just feeling the length, elongating. Relax your shoulders and have your shoulders aligned with your hip. And be round in your arms and just relax here for a moment. Connect to your breath, connect to your body, to your groundedness into the earth, but also connected up above the crown, right into the universe. Just take a few deep breaths, arriving in this moment. And from here, you start to move by turning your hips and waist. So your hips rotate to one direction and then the other. So the movement is completely moved from your hips and waist. And everything else is relaxed. Your spine is still straight, so you're rotating around your center line. And don't forget to breathe here, as all the movement only comes from the hips and waist. And your arms are tapping onto your belly, onto your lower back, onto the door of life, the Ming Men, which is an energy point on your lower back, which helps to stimulate your Qi, your energy. And from here, you can swing your arms also over the shoulder, giving yourself a little massage. Maybe even on neck, shoulders. While with your breath, you just relax into this movement while your spine is getting awake. And don't forget to breathe. And from here, you can make fists with your hand and then knock where your arm is stitched onto your torso. On that soft, fleshy part. This is part of your lung energy system, your lung meridian. It's the first point on it. And it helps that you breathe deeper, helps to stimulate the immune system. And then from here, you can also twist deeper. So come down first again with your hands, and then you twist further to your back. And you do that by lifting the back foot up. You're lifting the heel up while your big toe is still on the ground. And here you can go a bit more deeper into the twist of your spine while you're shifting your weight left and right. Really spiraling up all the energy in your energy field, as well as tapping your body awake, tapping your dantian, which is the source of your life force energy within your body. And then you can also use your own intuition and the wisdom of your body by just going here and there and just swinging your arms around, just feeling free in your movement and what feels good, what you like to experiment with in this sort of movement. And when you're ready, slowly untangle, come back to your center. find the alignment with your spine, your feet, your crown. And relax and breathe and deep into all the sensation that you're experiencing.